The man for the Jamaica and start stay wide. I pray me for money, dog. When I tell the people them that, say that first you start praying me for. And when I call you, I say, oh, link up I studio, you nah link me. And a different man if you tell me, say, that make you not link me because you say, me, you got London and you land and me not give you money.
Popcaan respond to Notnice and tell the truth why they fall out. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people, me gonna try my best for explain the timeline of what started this thing and where it's at now, right? So let's get right into it with no further ado, right? So it started all when Popcaan go on Notnice live and I diss up Javinci and Notnice, right? I screenshot it and I post it and people say I play a thing. Array, but it just never seems right to me. But anyway, I'm not saying nothing now. Moving on from there, you know what I mean? People are speculate. Whole heap of people make videos and I say Notnice and Jaffras no good with Papi and Squid them. I see some videos say Squid unfollow Notnice, unfollow each other. I want to know say Squid Notnice baby mother, right? And Squid is Popcaan's sister. So all of that I go on and not say nothing till Notnice go up on him live and tell it just like it is. Just this Popcaan straight out and say them fall out over Jaffras not wanting to sign to Unruly, right? So me I go make you hear what Notnice as a little bit. You know what I mean? Him this Papi straight and direct. Him never grow in a corner in a subliminal. Him calling name. So listen to this.
Everybody I wonder what going. People are calling me asking what going Javinci. I wonder what going for real. Well, clear it up. Jaffras and Papi good. That's all we ask. Brother, Jaffras and Popcaan are good. And top bomb buckler ask me that. Popcaan a pussy. Tell him to me say that. Screen record this. Tell Popcaan to me say him a pussy. Yeah. So now for one day, me say, talk to me come here. So much people pay 500 and I gotta tell him. Yeah, man. Yeah, some friend and what's on your enemy there, man. Tell them.
All right, now people, new year we're Notnice, I say. So that happened like not so long ago. We are going to say, I don't remember exactly how when, right? But this morning, people, Popcaan make it his point of duty to go on the live and address this personally, directly, however you want to put it, but same thing. Him never go around, come around, and subliminal, right? He must say, I'm not nice him talk to, everybody can hear say, I'm not nice him talk to. Him not really say much about Jaffras. You see me, I say, Javinci, but him did address Notnice directly, right? So let's hear what Popcaan have to say.
I go say, boom now. Him say, yo. Him a left Gaza. I say, fine. After that, all long now, this bomb buckler, man, yeah. Dead, nobody now advise him. I'm going to go do a tune, a girl tune. You see me? A tune here, it's too bad. I remember the day when Liquid I played that tune, the Liquid I say, yo, Papi, you are really youth, because I love how you're going to give Notnice strength again. And from that, I never stop give you strength, youth. I forward and do much in it. It's after that for youth. I forward and say, we still out. I forward and say, bumbo clot, who overdo it? All of them sitting there, youth. You see me? Ton load of hits man still forward and gear youth. Whether me I do vanquish, me drive forward the yard and link and say, brother, me I do a project in a bad man. And you see, I can't put out project and Notnice to depend it. And I see how play some rhythm. And I play rhythm and I say, roll them girl like black dice, like Drizzy, we have map ties. You see me? So me know when you go on like you want, feel like you can style it thing in a bad man, you look nerd bum buckler glass in a youth. Because me not even follow up in a dog. You see me? Me not have to do nothing for look no attention for none of you because you can't do nothing for me, dog. You see me, I mean you man, you the boss, brother.
So yeah, people, when you hear Papi I say him do some tune and bring back Notnice, because we all know that time that when Notnice, you know what I mean, they kick off with Cartel and nobody ended a really vice for him, you know what I mean, in the vice. He might work with Alkaline and them kick off too, and nobody not really vice for him. No, that is beside the point. Even though if you're watching Notnice live, him address that to him, just attack a bunch of things. People ask him question and him the kind of like angry about it, but in decide to talk about it anyway. If you want to see that live, you know what I mean, it's on Facebook and Purple Touch Mix Up page, so you can watch it over there, so right now let's talk more about what Popcaan says. So Popcaan say, you know what I mean, what really started the vibes between him and Notnice them go England and go do some show. Popcaan do a tour and him set it up himself and make him explain the rest of it. Alright, so listen to this now.
The reason why I make evil me and you reach panel levels of youth because me and you go England. And if you wish to speak the truth, you wish to speak the truth, you have to tell the bumbuckler people them this. Me and you go London, my first tour, you did a play round Blood Clot Sound. And that is a tour me keep off of my own. You see me? It's not like a promoter book me and me do that, me and mini them, you see me? Big up mini. Big up London, my town. Anyhow, I stay so boom here now. Me and him mash up the world and thing. We found at Jamaica. Normally when I get book for sure, I just go so boom. Run money per man cause promoter done book show already. You see me? No. I not do that. Because it was a different thing. It was a case where me keep the thing off of my own so the money not go forward in as quick as how it would have forward in when a promoter book me. The man for the Jamaica and start stay wide. I pray me for money, dog. When I tell the people them that, say that first you start pre me for. And when I call you, I say, oh, link up I studio, you not link me. And a different man if you tell me, say, that make you not link me because you say, me, you got London and you land and me not give you money. Brother, I saw no move youth. Money is not all in a killing.
Yeah, people, so now hear what Papi say, what caused the vibes between him and Notnice. He must say, them go do tour and him not pay him up front because I him put up his money, so the money now come in fast like if I did around promoter pay him and Notnice come back at Jamaica and move wide and now link up when himself link up with studio because Notnice I tell other people about Popcaan no pay him, right? But Papi did adjust some other thing because Notnice did up on the live and like somebody has said to Notnice, remember where you come from and show respect to Popcaan. And Notnice run them way, you see me? And I say, Popcaan no respect nobody. So Popcaan did adjust the part there and I say nobody no pay respect like how him pay to the whole artist them. Which is true. We see pictures with Popcaan and Berry Sam and we see picture with Popcaan and even Bujo. You see what I say? I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't know how much interaction between him and them artists they go on, but we see pictures with them, so we know say them kind of respect him enough to take a picture with them, right? But now the main thing we matter about is what Vybz Kartel do for him, and him still respect Vybz Kartel. Him say no matter how people are diss him and I say Ray, him sell out Gaza and them thing there, him still up to this day never diss Vybz Kartel, which is true, people. So I say we have to say Papi never really diss Kartel, him always big up Kartel. So make Papi tell you for himself what he must say about Vybz Kartel. Listen this.
Money is not all. Yeah, say me no show respect. Who show respect like Popcaan? To all the elderly artists, them youth. Wanna do it like me? When people are talk about, oh, me in a Gaza and Kartel, me sell out Kartel and re. You ever see me gonna go this Kartel it? You ever see me do that yet? You know, see man still show Kartel respect. Because him do a thing for me what me can't ever forget. Him give me that start there. When no matter what Kartel say about me or what he want to say, I'm a G, I'm a general. Me never ever forget. You see me? Me never ever forget what he do for me. Our thing I no money thing, Kartel, I'm a family, I'm a G. Because he look for me when me never have nothing to say, youth, forward. Go on up the ladder too. You see me? So me no want a man feel that them can style me thing with them look at 5 bills bomb buckler itself. Oh, I'm to you. Pussy wipe off your lens them off your glass, man, and see life clearer and clean up your heart. Oh, I'm to you. Ramp with me, youth. Vybz Kartel can tell people say, and me I mean in a loyalty, brother. I'm
Well, people, with all is said and done, it's never a good look for see people who used to be family have feud, right? But at the same time, you know, we're not there with them there, we're not in a them camp, we're not in a them family settings, we don't know the direct truth, you know what I mean? They might just come and give you a little piece and bits of here and there what go on, and everybody see things from for them own angle. So maybe on that nice seat and as a Popcaan seat, and maybe that's what I cause it the problem. You see what I mean? I say? But however, I don't know. I don't know. I hope this would have work out itself somewhere, even if them not really friends again, them still make great music together. So maybe that time they can come round where, you know what I mean, Popcaan can still record for Notnice or whatever. I don't know. You see me, I say hopefully, it don't look like a today or tomorrow though, because this look really, really like some, you know what I mean, feelings are carry, for lack of better words. So I don't know, but hopefully one day we will see that. Now, people, what I want to do, I want to get in the comment section and tell me what I want to feel about what I want to see. And if you tell me if you feel like Popcaan address it to if Notnice start, you know what I mean, when Notnice saying at the beginning, like, if him, you know what I mean, they did wrong for this Popcaan then, or, you know what I mean, just tell me, what you think, you know what I mean, a lot of people I look upon it and I say like, yo, Popcaan, did I really help Notnice because Unruly really did I help? You know, Unruly name big. But Notnice even address that and I say, oh, him no need Unruly, I do for him thing and Unruly I do for them thing. You see me, I say, so people want to get in the comment section, tell me what you feel about this one, right? And thanks to all the love and the support. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates, right? I want to stay safe out there, all right? Big up on yourself.